With the amount of news going on about the ongoing economic crash, why don't we relax for a bit and listen to some good news? Kathy Wood, a famous investor, believes that Tesla might just be the gold mine. Come and watch this video to find out more. Hello and welcome to Investor Facts, where we address all of your investment needs and questions. Stick around till the end of the video to learn more about investing and be one step closer to that financial freedom you've always wanted. Did you know that Kathy Wood, a famous investor, predicts a 200% increase in Tesla stock? Along with other experts, Wood has always been a well-known and ardent backer of Tesla. To discover what Wood has to say, pay attention and keep watching. Many observers think Tesla is, in a sense, headed for greatness. Many of them anticipate Tesla to grow further in the month ahead. Experts also predict that the top EV company's revolutionary initiative will soon open a new door similar to artificial intelligence. You'll discover today why Kathy Wood predicts that this will lead the price of Tesla to soar by 200%. When questioned in an interview, in comparison to several new Facebook, isn't Tesla going to be Friendster in 5 years? Kathy Wood replied with a stern no. Kathy Wood is a renowned stock picker and the creator of assets worth $60 billion. Innovation like self-driving vehicles and genomes are funded by ARK Invest. Wood founded ARK in 2014 with the intention of packaging active stock portfolios in an ETF style after working for a while at other investing businesses. Kathy Wood is renowned for founding a fund firm that focuses on disruptive and emerging technologies as well as thematic approach. She gained attention for her daring investment style and her accurate Tesla forecasts. Despite having more than 40 years of financial expertise, Kathy Wood gained greater recognition in the general public in 2020. That year, the returns on her ARK Innovation Fund were close to 150%, propelling her to a degree of the notoriety she had never before known. The ARK Innovation Fund has generated returns of roughly 45% each year over the last 5 years. These figures have made Wood, particularly when it comes to technology and innovation, kind of a celebrity in the financial world. Her asset management company ARK Invest is renowned for its bets on disruptive technologies and innovation. Investments in robots, genomics, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and sustainable energy are available via ARK fund offerings. As a supporter of Bitcoin and a firm believer that Tesla is currently undervalued, Wood is also renowned for sometimes making bold predictions. She also forecasts that the business will eventually be worth $3 trillion, with Tesla's market capitalization reaching $923.77 billion as of May 4, 2022. The forecast may not sound as outlandish as it did when she originally made it. One of the reasons people follow Kathy Woods and invest in her funds is because of her forecasts. When asked what she thought about Tesla in 5 years, Wood said that Tesla had an advantage over the other automakers. According to her, Tesla is the greatest option out of all the automobiles when comparing range and power instead of brand. Nevertheless, she said that most well-known automakers, like Volkswagen and BMW, have made great strides in recent years. Simply said, Tesla has a far greater mix of range and power than they have. According to Wood, the majority of other automakers won't be able to match or surpass Tesla's combination without incurring a loss on their vehicles. Wood underlined how crucial both from a performance and a range perspective there is. Wood responded as follows when asked what she felt about big businesses producing electric vehicles alongside Tesla. They are utterly failing. According to Wood, Tesla's rivals are lagging in battery technology because they are not following Tesla's decision to go down the cost curve for consumers' devices. According to Wood, Tesla employs a lithium-ion pouch which is far more expensive than the batteries it uses for its consumer goods. Therefore, if businesses choose to go up against Tesla, they will have to sell every electric car at a loss while also losing the market for internal combustion engines. According to Wood, the reason why Tesla is so far ahead of its rivals is that those businesses have just recently begun. She said that the vehicles they have so far supplied don't even come close to the range or other specifications of the Model S from Tesla. Branding is distinct from other things. These other automakers have well-known brands that have high levels of brand quality. However, I believe that as people begin to switch from gas to electric power and as they examine the features of various automobiles, adds Wood. Although they could still be influenced by brands, she said that they won't have an electric car as nice as Tesla will. Wood said they have compared Tesla's capex schedule to those of conventional manufacturers. If it hasn't already, she predicted that Tesla would increase its investment in electric cars over the next year or two. 5 years ago, according to Wood, many believed Tesla had little chance of surviving and was more likely to fail. However, the business is already guzzling cash and making as many aggressive purchases as it can to roll out new ideas, and Wood thinks Tesla will reveal a new one before the year is up. Cathie Wood focuses on theme investing approaches that target outsized long-term trends. Thematic investing searches for disruptors that are likely to influence how the world may change rather than focusing on particular industries and businesses or following fads. Therefore, there may be brief increase in the price of a firm or fund if technology or disruption looks to be about to make a breakthrough, or if there are developments in news around a particular linked company. ARK Invest searches for businesses with various capitalizations, geographic spreads, and other characteristics that are likely to support the future developments. Wood and ARK Invest think that a theme approach will outperform conventional investing techniques. Consequently, a large portion of Wood's stock picks are businesses that are investigating and putting into practice a variety of cutting-edge technologies and potential solutions, including artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage, and autonomous technology, to name a few which are present in Tesla. This explains why Wood is so optimistic about Tesla. Tesla was notably labeled a value stock by Wood. The idea of convergence used by the fund may be used to explain this analysis. Tesla is more than simply an EV play. It's a business that unifies several technological platforms and industries into a single organization. It is more than just an electric vehicle startup. It also develops software for artificial intelligence, robotics, and energy storage. It also has a glass technology division, and this diversity is what gives its high standing in the market and its profound worth. Tesla is also a disruptive force in the transportation industry. Again, Cathie Wood's playbook is being followed in full here. ARK looks for people who are pioneers and who are reshaping their areas. Although there may be other EV companies on the market, Tesla is the industry leader and sets the pace for its competitors. According to ARK Invest, Tesla's robotaxi operation could make up more than half of its anticipated earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, or EBITDA, in 2026 and should represent 62% of the company's enterprise value. In terms of company's earnings, 57% of Tesla's overall earnings are anticipated to come from its electric car business in 2026, while 34% will come from its robotaxi business. If the corporation sold 10 million automobiles in 2026, which is worst-case scenario, it would have made $372 billion in sales, had a share price of $2,900, and a market worth of $3.3 trillion, representing a compound annual growth rate of 24%. In a positive case, 17 million units would be sold in 2026, generating $513 billion in sales, and Tesla's share price would be $5,800. giving it a market valuation of $6.7 trillion and a CAGR of 42%. According to Wood, an electric car's total cost of ownership is cheaper than that of a gas-powered vehicle. And soon we believe that the real sticker price of electric and gas-powered cars will fall below that of gas-powered automobiles within a year or two, and maybe even sooner with subsidies. According to our most recent estimates, the typical electric car will cost about $15,000 by 2026. Only time will tell whether Cathie Wood is correct or incorrect regarding Tesla. The fact that ARK Invest is placing significant bets on Tesla's future is known. Tesla contributes close to 6% of the total fund, with the shares bought between $256.67 and $326.30. Having said that, it is clear that ARK Invest has a lot of confidence in Elon Musk's Tesla project. So much so that the stock accounts for a full 10% of the company's market capitalization, which is not surprising given that Tesla checks many of the boxes for Cathie Wood's investing philosophy. Well, there you have it. A piece of good news. Do you agree with Wood? Let me know your thoughts below. Once again, this is Investor Facts, ensuring that all your questions are answered. If you enjoy watching the video, kindly leave a like and subscribe. Until the next time, cheers.